Welcome back to Deluxe Guitar Songs. Today we're going to be going over Free Fallin' by Tom Petty in standard tuning with a capo on the first fret. Before we move on, I just wanted to thank you for coming back to the channel. Thank you for your support, subscribing to the channel, liking the videos we're doing, and leaving me comments and feedback. Please continue to do so and let me know what other songs you'd like me to put on the channel as well. We'll get them up as soon as possible. Thank you. So the chords we're playing today were in E major, okay? That's your ring finger, your middle finger on the second frets of the 5th and 4th string, and your index finger on the 1st fret of the G string. Okay, and then the next chord, you just lift up your index finger, move your middle finger and ring finger down to the G, or the D and the G string, to an A sus2. Then it comes back down to the B sus4. So B sus4 is kind of like a power chord on the 2nd fret with your index finger of the A string, and then your ring finger and your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the D and the G string. And I'm using my middle finger to mute that top string. You can let all the other strings ring out. So there's 3 chords in this song, and that is them, and they just play them in succession over and over again. There's a part where he palm mutes just a little bit, and when I do that, I'm really just like sticking my palm on the strings. You're just gonna have to feel it out so you can still go through the chord progression. So that's pretty much the whole song right there. It's a really pretty song to play. It's super easy. It's a great beginner guitar song. Gets you playing 3 chords that are really easy to kind of maneuver around with on that fretboard. Gets you playing that capo up here, so it kind of introduces you to some new things. So learn the song, play it. It's real fun. It's easy. You could probably even start singing along to it as well. It's an easy song to sing along to. So I hope you really enjoyed the guitar tutorial for today. Again, we're playing this new Taylor GS Mini. I like it for the price. It's a pretty awesome guitar. It is pretty small, but thanks again for coming back to the channel, and I hope you like, subscribe, and share, and come back and see us again. Thank you.